How I see it is that if you have some spare change, relatively speaking, why not? But I think it's still a very new instrument, and I think it takes time for people to understand it. It's easy for people to ride, hop on the bandwagon and enjoy the ride, but when it comes down, people need to understand there's a risk, and but there is huge potential for sure. For sure, I think next 5, 10 years, this will be the trend. And even insurance companies are looking into this, looking into how to incorporate all this kind of like Bitcoin, NFTs into the policies, into all these new technology into the as simple as a life insurance policy. So it will be the trend, but I think for me, it's a little bit too new. So I think it takes time for me to understand a little bit more.
For you personally, you've been linked to investments in hotels and F1. Is crypto and the metaverse a space that you would invest in personally?
No.
Why?
To me, it's just a little bit too. I'm an insurance guy, so risk is not the thing that I have too much appetite for. But then again, I'm not saying that is not a universe whereby people should not look into it. So I'm raised in a way whereby, get properties, get something solid, get bricks, that you could put over your head, that type of style, right? So if I may say, old school, too old school, but maybe it's something that I should look into it a little bit more. Like I said earlier, it will be the future. It's just how it's going to be fine-tuned throughout the next few years.